Charity. What's charity mean to you?
There are multiple definitions of charity, such as an organization set up to provide help and raise money for those in need, the voluntary giving of help to those in need, kindness and tolerance in judging of others.
Can I ask you a question real quick?
Sure, you seem like a standout guy.
What does charity mean to you?
Oh, man, charity. I would say charity is giving money to those that are less fortunate than you.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yo, is that high school in?
Yo!
That's totally him, bro. So, yo, can we get you a selfie real quick? Can we get you a selfie? Yo,
What's up?
what's up?
Yeah, I got go. Sure.
Yeah, go get him.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, thanks, man. Yo, he's right here. He's right here, bro. Look at him. Oh, that's tight. That's tight.
Hey, that's not all charity's about. It's more than just giving money. Let's get this guy next. He seems pretty interesting. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey.
Can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
What's charity mean to you?
Charity. To me, charity means just helping someone that's in need. Anybody that needs help, providing help to them. That's what charity means to me.
Thank you.
Yahweh! Come on, let's go. Yahweh!
Hey. Why do people have to be so inconsiderate?
People these days, man. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Can I ask you something?
Of course you can.
What's charity mean to you?
Charity to me means being there for someone when they need you.
Thank you.
Are you okay, man?
Hey, man, you alright, man?
You alright? You okay, man? You alright, bro? You pretty good.
Oh, good, man.
It's just, it's alright, man.
We're here for you. It's a low. We're here for you,
We
man.
got you, man. You know what they say? There's plenty of fish in the sea.
Hey, buddy. Can I ask you a question real quick?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. What's charity mean to you?
I'd say charity's about friendship and having a good time with the bros.
Thank you.
Jitterbug. Jitterbug. You put the boom boom into my heart. You send my soul sky high when your loving starts. A jitterbug into my brain. Goes to bang bang.
Charity, what's it mean to you?